Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can take a screenshot in your MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So taking a screenshot in your MacBook is pretty simple. You just need to enter some commands and your MacBook will take the screenshot itself. So whatever you want to screenshot, you just need to select that icon, or you can simply display it on your screen and press on Command Shift and number 3 together. So once you press these 3 keys together, your laptop or your MacBook will be taking a screenshot. So as you can see, this is a screenshot. You can simply press it and simply edit with the help of the markup option. You can crop it or do anything you want. So in this way, you can simply take screenshot on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.